My name is Reverend Dr. Barry King, and I'd like to welcome you today to this episode of Quantum Physics and Spiritual Life. Today's episode is called Unity at the Core. Quantum physics describes an underlying field from which all particles and forces arise. Everything that exists, from stars to cells, emerge from this single universal field of energy. It is the unseen ground of being, endlessly generating creation. Spirit, spiritual life, has always named this field the divine source, the one from which all life flows. Mystics, saints, and seers across ages have known that beneath diversity, there was always unity. Beneath form, there is spirit. Every faith points to this unseen oneness in its own language. When we bring the two together, we see that the quantum field and the divine field are one and the same. Science describes the mechanics. Spirit reveals the meaning. To live with this awareness is to see the face of God in all things, and to know that separation is only an illusion. Thank you for allowing me to share. I wish you love and joy, and God bless. Thank you.